Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Game Guy and today's video is going to be an unboxing for my week 12 items. They arrived earlier on the week. I wanted to do the unboxing on Wednesday, however I just didn't have the time for it. So it's going out on Saturday, which should be today obviously. So obviously for week 12 I was able to cop the box logo beanie as well as the sort of kickstand light or miniature light that they released just sporadically, which actually sold out in the end. So I wasn't expecting that to happen, but it did. So that was just like a positive to being able to get the item as well as having it also sell out. So yeah, week 12 for me went quite well because of that. But as always, let me know down below if your item has arrived from week 12. If you copped something from week 12, what did you cop? What size, what colorway, or what item? Or did you get one of the accessories being the light from that week? Other than that, has your item not arrived yet? And if it hasn't arrived yet, have you got like a shipping sort of date for it? Or has it got like a set date when it's going to arrive sort of thing? Also with your item, are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling it? I am probably going to be stocking these two items for a little bit of time. I don't know how long I'll keep the beanie for because I've still got the beanie from last year, which I picked up as well. So they're starting to build up my sort of like beanie collection. So yeah. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so obviously two items. I think I'm gonna unbox the beanie second and unbox this one first, being the like kickstand light, I think its name was. So it says it's not restricted on the front, which I've got no idea what that means, but I'll go with it. Cool. Right. Okay, yeah, it is quite miniature. I agree. Magnetic kickstand light. It is a bit miniature. Right, I've got the packaging, bag, and a couple of stickers from the Chris Cunningham collab. Yeah, Chris Cunningham. I can't remember what the second design or piece was called, but I know that this one was the Chihuahua one, obviously. But I can't remember what that one was called, but we got the stickers from that, so that's pretty cool. And obviously just a bag. Yeah, so I've just got a blank bag to use. Okay, kickstand light. Literally all the way around it, it has just got Supreme everywhere. So let's open it up. Remove that, don't you? Okay, there we go. So there is the kickstand light, which will obviously sit like that. But yeah, it's averagely bright. Mine has a couple of scratches all the way across it, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, it's quite cool. For a little light, shouldn't have done that. For a little light, it's actually really cool, but I can see why people didn't pick it up in the end and why people did pick it up. Obviously, the pictures are normally deceiving that come from Supreme because items do sometimes look a lot bigger than what they are sort of like online or how they look online. This obviously looks probably a lot bigger than it actually is, but still, like, I mean, the main comparison I could make is that if you got the Chris Cunningham sticker, it's the same size as that one, as the Chihuahua one, and I believe it must be then the same size as the other one. Yeah, it's sort of the same size as the other one, but I think that it's exactly the same size as the Chihuahua one. So yeah, that's the sort of comparison for the sizing on the piece or of the piece. I just noticed my sticker's got a corner missing to it, which is brilliant when I want to add it to a collection, but oh well. So that is the kickstand magnetic light. I don't really have much else to say for it. I think it's a pretty cool little item, and it means I've got a second sort of light now because I've got the one from the spring summer season that was what is it? It's like the solar light Luminade one that they brought out during the spring summer. So now I've got two lights. Right, moving on to the main item. Okay, so obviously the main item for this video is the box logo beanie. Which is right here. And yet again, I got another two stickers from the Chris Cunningham collab. So there we go, I got a couple more of them. I'll throw some details of them up on screen. I believe that these smaller ones look like they're meant to be individual, but that might just be my eyes tricking me. But to me, they look like they're meant to be like individual stickers. I don't know, maybe it's just me. It's just that the way that they look like they've been done looks like they're meant to be individual. But anyway, got two Chihuahuas and two of the other ones. So yeah, now the main piece. the box logo beanie. Black colorway, being like, it was either second or third most, it was second I think most hyped that people were after, but when it was going on to like the selling side, I think it was like the third one to sell out or something. But yeah, I mean, there's not really much else I can say. I like the beanie, obviously. I like most of the beanies that I pick up, but box logo beanies are nice. Also with this one on the back, it has embroidered as well, world famous, which I think is a nice little touch for them to do. So yeah, that's just another beanie to the collection. I've always wanted to pick up like a black sort of box logo beanie, or the black colorway sort of thing if they ever released it. Because I wear so many like just black colorways in clothing, or I buy way too many Supreme pieces in like black colorway or white colorway, I think that just the white and black just blends perfectly and it can match with either of those two colors. So yeah, I wanted to go for the blue colorway that they released. However, going for this one I think was just the better choice overall, and yeah, I just think it was well worth it. Like, also being able to get it when it sold out in a quite quick sort of time span was quite decent. But yeah, that is going to cover this video. If you enjoyed it, a like would be much appreciated. Other than that, obviously comment down below if you got your stickers, or if you got stickers with your items or packages, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on either Monday or tomorrow for another video. Peace.